So last year you delivered a keynote on cloud AI, whereas this year was more on the three identity problem. What was the key motivation behind that?
So I mentioned authorization is really top of mind with the securing agents. I really wanted to share the role of context. That is the data that's used by policy engines and our cybersecurity investments to make decisions. And if you've ever worked with AI yourself, you can see that it often can get things wrong, what we call hallucinate, often because it's missing context. So my message at the keynote was our identity systems need that same context so that we are not starved in our decision making.
So during your keynote at Identifest, you talked about the context window. Could you just expand further on that a little bit, please?
So if you've ever been working with an AI tool, maybe for several hours at a time, maybe come to a bunch of key decisions, and then suddenly it feels like the AI has forgotten something very important. We call that breaking the context window. It just means the amount of memory that AI can absorb, you've exceeded that. Or if you've ever been working on it for multiple days and maybe step away for a while and you come back late, it's forgotten things. Same example of context being starved. It's a big important topic for us in identity because our AI-enabled identity systems are also making those same kinds of decisions. So what's really important for us is to make sure they have all the right appropriate context for that decision making.